The first step is to mark out lines for cutting on the valley flashing. Next, place the roof tile sheet on the valley flashing. Measure and mark parallel to the line on the valley flashing. Begin cutting the roof tile sheet. Remember to cut only with a tool specifically designed for this purpose, such as a nibbler or sheet metal cutter. Do not use an angle grinder, as this may damage the anti-corrosion surface on the roof tile sheet. The cut sheet should be attached to the areas of the roof. Remember that the Supra system enables for the installation of several joined sheets at once.